Sige! Sige! Where are you going? Where are you going?
That's a prize.
Where are you going? Price?
Yes.
Ouch! Ouch!
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Celebrity dad na si Chris Lawrence, dinalhan ng napakaraming pasalubong ang anak nila ni Katrina Halili, na si Katie. Me being an annoying dad to Katie Labs, before I give her pasalubong, hehe, sorry Katie Labs but you showed such great patience, and you didn't break. What a sweet girl. Papa loves you so much. Ito ang caption ni Chris, sa kanilang video ng panganay na anak nitong si Katie.
Okay, sige. Okay. Sige, okay. Okay?
No, yes.
Okay, sige.
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 Okay, sige. Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay, hug papa. Okay. Sige. Say it 20 times.
Okay.
Where are you going?
That's a prize.
Where are you going? Price?
Yes.
Ouch! Do you know what your surprise is?
Your stuffed toy. I remember stuff. Wow, may massage.
Alright. That's all your stuff there. Look.
Wow.
Look at this. I got you this jacket. Here. Look at my little superstar. Yee! Come here. Turn around. Very nice. Your new shiny slippers. And it fits?
Nice. Papa, take it off. I can take off now. Picture ko yung stuff.
At sa lahat ng binili ko sa kanya, yung mga stuffed toy na biniboost pa rin ang bumida sa kanya. I love you, Katie.
What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Oh. Yay!
Kiss, Papa. Oh, my head. Kiss, Papa.